Hola, this is Melissa from BaseLang.com, and today we're going to talk about ser, estar in the past tense.
Presented by BaseLang.com. Unlimited Spanish tutoring for $100 a month.
The verb to be is heavily used in every tense, but today in this post, we're going to talk about ser, estar, verb to be in the past tense. But first of all, we're going to start with ser. It has two different usages, fui and era. Let's see the conjugations for each. I was, yo fui, yo era. You were, tú fuiste, tú eras. You were, in a formal way, usted fue, usted era. He was, él fue, él era. She was, ella fue, ella era. It was, eso fue, eso era. You were in plural. Ustedes fueron, ustedes eran. We were. Nosotros fuimos, nosotros éramos. They were. Ellos fueron, ellos eran. Now, let's see the difference between fui and era. When we say fui, as we were talking about a one-time event that already happened in the past, of course. For example, yo fui estúpido. I was stupid. When we use era, is when we're talking about a situation that already passed that is more permanent in time and is not just one-time thing. For example, yo era estúpido is more like I used to be stupid, and it's something that you used to be or that happened for a longer period of time. Now let's see estar. There are two different conjugations for the word estar, estuvo and estaba. And almost there is no difference between these two conjugations. And in fact, if you ask a native speaker, they probably won't be able to tell you the difference. That's why I'm going to show you the table so you see the difference between these two and you choose which one do you want to use. But I will recommend to use estaba because it's easier for you. Now, here we have the conjugation. I was, yo estuve, yo estaba. You were, tú estuviste, tú estabas. You were in a formal way. Usted estuvo, usted estaba. He was. Él estuvo, él estaba. She was. Ella estuvo, ella estaba. It was. Eso estuvo, eso estaba. You were in plural. Ustedes estuvieron, ustedes estaban. We were. Nosotros estuvimos, nosotros estábamos. They were. Ellos estuvieron, ellos estaban. By the way, both are basically the same, but if I were you, I will use estaba since it's more used. Now, let's see some examples. Luisa estaba en Europa. Luisa was in Europe. Natalia y Valentina estaban comiendo. Natalia and Valentina were eating. La sopa estaba muy caliente. The soup was very hot. Él estaba triste. He was sad. Now let's practice. I'm going to give you some sentences and you're going to translate them into Spanish. He was a businessman. Él era un hombre de negocios. The kids were playing in the park. Los niños estaban jugando en el parque. Luisa wasn't sad. Luisa no estaba triste. He wasn't there. Él no estaba allí. You're going to need to practice this topic more since the verb to be is such an important verb in Spanish in English and actually in any other language. If you want to practice this with a real person and one of our BaseLang teachers, just share this video publicly on Facebook and tag the BaseLang Facebook page in your post, and we're gonna give you a 30-minute free class. Ciao!